What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute errors on your Kikoff credit report. Let's get straight into the video. Now, for the online dispute process, what you want to do is to access your Kikoff account online, and then you need to click on the credit report tab to access your credit report, and then just review your credit report and identify the error or inaccuracy. And then you want to click the dispute button next to the error to initiate the dispute process, and then just upload documents to support your dispute, such as proof of payments or identification, and then submit the dispute to wait for Kikoff's response. Now, for full dispute process, what you need to do is just contact Kikoff's customer support team by phone, to initiate the dispute process, and then provide the representative with information about the error, including the account name, account number, and the nature of the disputes. And then just fax or email documentations to support your dispute, such as proof of payments or identifications, and then just wait for Kikoff to investigate the dispute and response. Now, for mail disputes process, what you need to do is to write a letter detailing the error, including the account name, account number, and nature of the dispute, and then include documentations to support your dispute, such as proof of payments or identification, and then mail the letter to Kikoff's dispute address, and just wait for Kikoff to investigate the dispute and respond. Now, you're gonna need a couple of documents when performing this process. The first, of course, is proof of payment. So you got to provide a proof of payment, such as a canceled check or payment receipt. And then you need to provide identification. That could be a driver's license or a passport. You're also going to need account statements. So you need to provide account statements or records to, of course, support your dispute. A couple of tips for disputing errors. The first is to act quickly. So you want to dispute errors promptly to avoid negative impacts on your credit scores. You also want to provide clear and concise documentations to support your dispute. Also, follow up with Kikoff to ensure that the dispute is investigated and resolved, and also keep records of your dispute, including correspondence and documentations. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute errors on Kikoff's credit reports. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.